Here we go, and welcome back to another movie. Within that movie, I'm trying to show you how to manufacture a pin that came loose on this electric plug that is installed on a VW Bus T2 on the outside. It is from Schuko, that is good quality, but it's nearly 50 years old, so you can't guarantee any flawless service anymore. So the right pin came loose, the left side is still intact. From the back you have the fuses screwed in, and as you can see on the left side here we have a really bad contact. It even generated heat, and overall that's a big safety issue. So we are manufacturing a pin from aluminum, and therefore we are using that existing inner thread that was used for the outer thread of the fuse holder. It is an M8 times 1 to screw that in place to guarantee a perfect contact. After all, we will counter the thread with a nut so it stays in place. So we get rid of the bad fuse holder and the fuse as we don't need it anymore. The whole system has been rebuilt recently, and there's no need for fuses since it has been taken care of afterwards. So you might ask yourself, why not replacing the whole unit? Well, that would have been definitely the easiest option, but as a matter of fact, there's none on the market with nearly the same sizes, so we would have to cut open the sheet metal, and we definitely don't want to do that. Besides that, the quality, as you can see here, pins are wiggling, is really bad. If you just hold it in your hands, you know what I'm saying. So therefore we go by the original one with some additional work. Here you can see all the 3 diameters required. The thin one is the pin itself for the electric contact. The one I'm working on here in the picture is from the Schuko. The inside diameter to give him a good seat, and the big diameter is for the thread itself. Now it's time to manufacture the nut that counters the pin thread. Since it is a fine thread M8 times 1, I have to manufacture that nut. Therefore I take a non-standard M7, drill it open, and afterwards cut in the thread M8 times 1. Here we go, that's the finished setup with the pin in place, the nut, the counters, and the only thing that actually is missing is the cap that is covering the nut for safety reasons. After reinstalling the unit in the bus, there was, or is now, a perfect contact. It's charging perfectly fine, and the whole system is also safe to use again. Thanks for watching. See you in the next movie. Bye bye.